Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Pasquini Livia 90, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we're getting a nice shot of espresso with really good crema. Just a little bit of a leak coming from the valve here, but that's just the expansion valve, normal. But we're definitely getting good pressure at the head. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. I got to fix the left side of the case there. I missed there, and I think that's it. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.